Hey you, stop there. If you waka pass and you no subscribe, I go shoot you now. Oh, sorry, I don't forget say na torchlight I carry. Hey, on light, na me dey see say na torchlight I carry. Abeg, I no get strength for wahala o. Abeg, na torchlight. Area, wetin dey play for there? Dis thing wey you dey look for my hand so, no be ordinary torchlight o. Na the Itel Power is a one. Na you dey look so. I sabi wetin dey your mind right now, but no worry, just relax. I go give you all the full gist about this power bank. My people, welcome to Tech Bobo HQ, the home of everything tech wey dey make sense. Today, we go talk about Itel Power is a one, the portable and the latest power bank from Itel. But wait oh, make we no lie, Itel don dey do wonder lately with their products, and this power is a one na their best example. Abi na only me dey reason am? Wetin you think? Let me know what you think for the comment section. But wait oh, before we enter the main matter, how una take see this power bank? E go worth am abi go fall hand? Make I know what you think for the comment section. Make you rub mind together. You dey feel am? My name na Tech Bobo and welcome to Tech HQ. The Itel Power is a one come in two variants. One wey get Type-C cable and another one wey dey use normal iPhone charger cable. Now, make I talk about my first impression. When I first see this power bank, I first think say na all those old palito radio or torchlight wey our mama dey carry then. But no be so. The design sweet die for the price. Honestly, e dey give me that old school nostalgia vibe. I hope all my Gen Z people go feel relate. If dem no sabi, dem go sabi today. Make we talk about design. This power bank come in 4 sweet colors. So you fit pick the one wey match your swag. E come with Type-C USB cable for Android users and iPhone charger cable for my odogus dem. But this one wey you dey see for my hand so, na the iPhone cable version be this one. But another thing be say, you fit use Type-C to Type-C cable in case you wan charge other device wey get Type-C port. Abeg, how una take see am? Make I know for comment section. E still get built-in cable, and this cable dey serve as handle wey you go fit use carry am anywhere you wan go. The design, fashionable and portable die. Another sharp thing about this power bank be say e get portable flashlight. I know say this flashlight feature go sweet you. Drop your comment for comment section, make I know how you think. Make we talk about battery. If you check the pack of this power bank, na 5,000 dem write there. But according to my own research, na 4,800 mAh dey inside the power bank. But no wahala sha, you fit charge 2 devices at the same time. Your Android phone for one side and your iPhone for the other side. You no go get wahala at all. E get 12 watts fast charge. And if you wan charge this power bank, na 50 minutes e go take charge sharp sharp. The power bank still get one small button for the side wey dey act as indicator, so you go know when e don low or full. The battery na premium cell, and according to Itel, after 300 weeks, e go still dey maintain 90% of the battery health. Imagine that kind thing. For the performance, this power bank go fit charge 2 devices at the same time. The thing be say, e no stop for phone alone. You fit use am charge your iPad, smartwatch, Bluetooth speaker and even your earbuds without stress. But abeg o, no try dip am for water o. E get anti-slip water resistant, but no be James Bond device. My people, let's try compare this power bank to the ones wey dey market currently. For the power bank market today, I no go lie, this Itel Power is a one na featherweight champion. E light well well, but we no fit compare am with the big boys wey get 10,000 mAh or 20,000. But for innovation and design, Itel try no be small. So now, I wan talk about things wey I like about this power bank. Wetin I like about this power bank be say, first, e dey portable and e dey easy to carry around. You fit even use am as gift for person wey you dey plan to surprise. Another thing be say, e get multiple colors, so you go fit choose your style. Now, I wan talk about things wey I no like about this power bank. no be say e dey perfect like that o. The battery na 4800 mAh. So if you dey use phone of 5000 mAh, no expect this power bank to charge am reach 100%. That one dey pain me small sha. Another issue be say e too dey small. If you no dey careful, you fit forget am for where you drop am, especially for public place. And lastly, you go fit charge your phone once. If na multiple charge you want, you go need 10,000 or 20,000 mAh for the big boys. My people, finally, the koko of the matter, the price. This power bank dey go for 15,000 naira on Jumia. You dey reason say whether e worth am? Well, if you dey look for something portable, stylish, and perfect for emergency charging, Itel Power is the one, no bad at all. But if na multiple recharge you want, my brother, you go need look elsewhere, because this power bank na 4800 mAh. This na my honest take on this power bank. Abeg, how una take see am? Make I know for comment section. My people, abeg, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abeg. Na Tech Bobo HQ be this, where we dey give you better tech vibes, hot gist, and reviews wey go clear your doubt. Until next time, no dull yourself o. Peace out.